Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Welcome back. This is part 2 of our soy milk guide. In this video, we'll cover nutrition, health benefits, possible side effects, and easy ways to use soy milk in your meals. Let's get started. Now to the big questions. What are you actually getting from a cup of soy milk, and is it healthy? Soy milk nutrition facts: protein, calories and key nutrients. Protein is the star. Soy milk often has about the same protein as cow's milk, and usually more than almond, oat, or rice milk. Unsweetened soy milk is also lower in sugar than sweetened versions, flavored types, or many coffee shop drinks. Not all brands are fortified the same way. Some have added omega-3 fats, others have extra B vitamins. Reading the label helps you know what you are getting. Health benefits of soy milk for heart, bones and blood sugar. Soy milk can support heart health in a few ways. It tends to be lower in saturated fat than whole dairy milk, and contains unsaturated fats that are more heart-friendly. Studies suggest soy protein can slightly lower LDL, the bad cholesterol, when it replaces higher saturated fat foods. For bones, fortified soy milk can be helpful because of the added calcium and vitamin D. If the carton has about 300 milligrams of calcium per cup, it is in the same ballpark as cow's milk. Unsweetened soy milk can also support steady blood sugar. It contains protein and moderate carbs, which may help prevent big spikes when paired with meals. This can be useful for people with diabetes or those who watch their sugar intake. People with lactose intolerance or dairy allergy often use soy milk as a simple swap that still gives some protein and a creamy texture. Soy, hormones and cancer. What science actually says. Soy contains plant compounds called phytoestrogens, often isoflavones. They are similar in shape to human estrogen, but much weaker. They can attach to estrogen receptors in the body, but do not act in the same strong way as our own hormones. Many studies over the past decades have looked at soy and cancer risk. Current evidence shows that moderate soy food intake, such as a few servings a day of tofu, soy milk, or edamame, is safe for most people. Some research even links soy foods with a lower risk of breast and prostate cancer, especially in Asian populations that eat soy from an early age. For people with a history of hormone-sensitive cancers, many cancer centers now say soy foods are generally safe in normal food amounts. Still, anyone in this group should follow advice from their own doctor or dietitian. Supplements with high doses of isolated isoflavones are a different story and need medical guidance. Who should be careful with soy milk and possible side effects? Some people need to limit or avoid soy milk. Anyone with a soy allergy should not drink soy milk. Infants should only have soy-based formula that a pediatrician approves, not regular soy milk as a main drink. People who take thyroid medicine such as levothyroxine may need to separate the timing of their pill and soy foods by several hours, since soy can affect absorption. Mild side effects like gas or bloating can happen, especially if someone is not used to beans. Starting with a small amount and drinking it with meals can help. If you have diabetes or you are watching your weight, check the label for sugar. Sweetened and flavored soy milks can have quite a bit of added sugar compared with unsweetened versions. That's it for part 2 of our soy milk guide. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.